Hi there, welcome to my channel, Share Floor 6. I'm sharing with you my foolproof waterless beef ribs and tomato stew today. It's a very simple but wholesome dish. Before we get started, click that subscribe button and make sure you follow me on Instagram for the full written recipe. Here are the ingredients that you need for this dish. I gotta say that the cast iron pot plays a critical role in this recipe. Let's start with some simple preparation. First, cut up the tomatoes into wedges. Then, peel and cut the carrots into big pieces. Cut the onions into wedges or thick slices. I didn't film this, but also dice up some garlic and you're all set to start cooking. Here are the beef ribs that I used for the dish. I thought they were a good size, so I didn't cut them. If yours are bigger, feel free to cut them up, but not too small as they shrink when cooking. We start by searing the beef and giving them a brown crust. I heated the pot with a small amount of oil, but it's actually not needed in hindsight, since beef ribs are naturally fatty. Pan fry the beef in medium-high heat and make sure you get a crispy crust. We don't need that amount of oil for the next few steps. Make sure you pour the excess oil out before continuing. Using the same pot, turn it down to low heat and line the pot with vegetables. They should be in the order of tomatoes, carrots, onions, and then canned tomatoes. You don't need to use the juice from the canned tomatoes if you're using a waterless pot, but if not, feel free to add them in as well. Add a dash of salt and then the bay leaves. Then line the beef ribs on top along with rock sugar and garlic. Rock sugar is generally available at all Asian supermarkets. It helps with softening the beef ribs, but don't worry if you can't find any, normal brown sugar will do as well. Once that's done, put the lid on and cook under low heat for 25 minutes. If your waterless pot is of good quality, the pot and lid should seal well and create a high pressure environment when cooked under low heat. You should see steam coming out from your pot like this. Make sure you keep the lid on for the full 25 minutes though. You can remove the lid after 25 minutes. Look at all those juices from the vegetables. Give it a good mix and then do a quick taste test. Then add a generous amount of herbs and some tomato paste according to your preference. Let it cook under low heat with the lid on for another 10 minutes. Then switch off the heat but do not remove the lid for at least another 15 minutes. That will give the beef ribs a chance to soak in all the flavors. As a final touch, add a little bit of herbs before serving and reheat it at medium-high heat. This is it, we're done. It's cooked to perfection, the beef ribs are soft and tender, soaking in all the juices from the vegetables in less than an hour, thanks to my cast iron pot. Feel free to serve this with pasta, rice, or even just bread. They are amazing with most carbs. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you like these simple recipes, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I upload every other week to share my simple homemade recipes. Tune in for the next video. I'll see you in 2 weeks.